Coming up on TLDR from GeekWire. How one company is using technology to analyze vineyards. Seattle tech companies are teaming up to tackle the city's biggest challenges. And Amazon's footprint in the Seattle area approaches 14 million square feet. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, our news rundown on tech, business, and other geekiness. TLDR is presented by ReachNow. Experience the future of mobility at reachnow.com. Growing wine grapes can be a difficult process, so a startup out of Washington State wants to use drones to make this process more efficient. Pollen Systems is using aerial drones to quickly survey and photograph vineyards. By stitching photos together, vineyards can be analyzed for crop growth, overwatering or underwatering, and pests or disease. Surveying 100 acres on foot would typically take days. But this task takes just 1 hour for drone technologists. Right now, the photos have to be analyzed manually, but the company plans to work on developing AI tools to automate the process. Executives of Seattle tech companies are teaming up to tackle some of the city's biggest problems. The group is called sea.citi. That's spelled SEA.citi. Its mission is to engage tech workers on Seattle issues and coordinate them to donate and volunteer. sea.citi's first program brings resources and mentorship to 10 South Seattle public schools. Its board includes execs from Flying Fish Ventures, Google, Amazon, and Facebook. Amazon has signed a lease for an entire building in Bellevue, Washington. This means the company will have 14 million square feet of office space in the Seattle area. The building is currently the headquarters of Expedia, which is going to relocate to Seattle in 2019. Amazon already has 45,000 employees in Seattle, and this lease will add space for an additional 2,500 employees in Bellevue by 2020. Make sure to subscribe to GeekWire's YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in tech. I'm Starla Sampaco. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.